What's the meaning of along? Along. 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 Along.
Along is a preposition that denotes a sense of progression or movement in a particular direction. It suggests moving in tandem with someone or something else, and can be used to describe a physical or metaphorical journey. When used in a sentence, it implies the idea of being in line with or accompanying someone or something else. For example, we walked along the beach suggests moving forward with the beach as a companion. Along adds a sense of directionality to the sentence, implying a continuous movement towards a specific destination.